And all I feel is blue. Black.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to Execute Codes. This is the second video of TED Talks. So today in this video I will show you how to use your USB pen drive as your RAM. So I have inserted my pen drive and you can see here it's removable disk pen drive. So it is used when you don't have your RAM is less. For example, just see my RAM. I'll go into properties and so my RAM is 3 GB of RAM. So I have 3 GB of RAM. So if I'm downloading a 4 GB RAM file, so I can't use it in my laptop. So then I will just need more RAM. So for this I will use it. So first we need to format our pen drive. So I'll just go and start the formatting. So before formatting I will suggest you to back up your files if you have any files in your pen drive. Okay, so just back up it. Now you see I have got a message format complete. So I'll just click on OK and then close. Now we have formatted our pen drive and now we have full GB. So now we will go to its properties. So it's just opening the properties. Yeah, and it's open. So here in properties you will see up that there are so many options here. So just go to the ready boost option. And then you will see here speed up your system by utilizing the available space on this device. So here are 3 options. You can use any of these. So there are 3 options here. So I will just click on this use this device option. So now space to reserve for system speed may be less than actual the space due to file limits. So here it is telling you to select the pen drive file. So I will just set it to full 4094 MB. So you can just set but to your according, but I will suggest you to do it full. Now while the device is being used for system speed, the reserve space will not be available for file storage. It means that it will use the full space of your pen drive and you will not able to put any file in the pen drive. Now Windows here, so just click on apply. So it is now ready boost is configuring your kit. So it's applying the effects. Yeah, it's done now. Now we will click on OK. So now it will refresh automatically and now you will see that in my free space I have only 3.21 GB available. I will just show you in the pen drive properties and I will also show you open and I'll just go to properties and show you. So here you will see the space use 3.99 GB and I have free space only 3.21 GB. So it has used as a RAM and when I will open it, you will see here an icon of shortcut ready boost. So it is now has boosted my PC now or laptop. It can work both on PC and laptop. So you will can just see here in ready boost, and if you want to do it back, so just do not use this device and click on apply. So now ready boost is configuring your case. Now it will give you now it will set your pen drive back to its default. So now it's being just and then click on OK, then the effects will be applied. Now you will see the free space 7.21 GB. So here is just the ready boost. You will think that it's still there. So I will just show you its properties. It is just an it is just an 1 KB file. So it's just a dot file, 1 KB file. So it's just a shortcut. So by using this you can just boost up your PC RAM. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.